Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to access Supercell store. So to access a Supercell store, you gotta open up your browser in any of your device. It could be laptop, it could be phone, it could be a tablet. Once you open up your browser, just type in Supercell and hit enter. Now click on the first link that appears. You'll be taken to Supercell's website. Now you can see there is a store option right here. Just click on it. Now you can access all of the Supercell's game store directly from your browser. So that's it on how to access Supercell's store. If you have any confusion, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.